What's going on, guys? JTS Games here. Today we have this fidget spinner. I promised you I'd do another video on this. This one I'm going to try to get to like 1,000 miles per hour by using this hair dryer. So let's see if the myth is proved. And look, I think it will work, but let's just see. So this is a fidget spinner. We've got to get going pretty fast, right? Alright guys, so it's going pretty fast right now, probably like 500 miles per hour. We're gonna try and do it for a whole minute of it. Guys, we got to go at about 1,000 miles per hour. As you see the title of this video, this is just a fidget spinner right now, and this is on medium. And we're gonna turn it on high. Now we're going to see how long this is going to spin for, because it's like at 2,000 miles per hour. As you see, you can like hear it. I'm not touching it. Hope you guys like this video so far. We're doing another fidget spinner one. It should go for a little while. Why is it so slow? Alright guys, so this should be going for a little while. And then we may do versus something. Alright guys, it's almost ending. The fidget spinner that went 1,000 miles per hour, this one that I just got, it just went 1,000 miles per hour, at least. If I used a leaf blower, it would probably go like 2,000. It's crazy to think that something that when you like spin something like a spinner, it like that it really like actually can not only go like this regularly, this only goes like 15 miles per hour. Now we're gonna bring the hairdryer over here and spin it at our absolute best speed. So it's gonna be like, all right, and then boom, and then turbo. Oh my God, it's going 2,000. We gotta try and put it on for a long time, like at least 2 minutes of the fidget spinner. Sorry, headphone users. Oh my God! Oh my! It's getting fast! It's going pretty fast right now, as you can see. See how long this can spin for before it stops spinning. Hope you guys like these fidget spinner videos that I'm doing. It may take a little bit. It's going normal speed now. And even though it looks like it's not going fast, it's really going like really fast. But this camera just doesn't show how fast it's actually going. So it might be a little while. So oh my goodness, it's almost done. It took like at least a couple minutes to wear down, not as good as I expect. I'm going to do a leaf blower video, definitely. And we're going to be toilet paper for dares and stuff. Like, I have this one air horn app, it's pretty funny. Has some memes on it too. So I hope you guys like this video for the fidget spinner that went 1,000 miles per hour and it just stopped. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video for the fidget spinners. You can go get one on Amazon or somewhere. They're pretty cool, so I hope you guys like this video, and bye.